Okay, I was gonna pretend to go wow, but this is like insane. What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna go explore the Sumapaz National Park, which is just a couple hours south of Bogotá. And with it being over 266,000 hectares, it is such a huge region to go exploring, and it is also known to be the largest Páramo ecosystem in the world. And with it being so huge and the ecosystem that it's got, it's also considered the largest natural water producing factory in the world. So I'm really excited to go explore this incredible ecosystem.
This is a tree that sucks some water from the air. So if you touch over here, it's wet. Right now we are in dry season in Sumapaz. Dry season means it's always pretty clear. Normally here is foggy, it's windy. So the water goes through the plant, and it's like a natural pipe. It's empty inside.
And it goes into the ground.
Just drops like that to the ground. So this one, for example, this species is called grandiflora, Ráchelle-Jean grandiflora.
So a Páramo ecosystem to me is really hard to describe, but the best way to describe it is that it's found at high altitudes. It's like a marshland, so like very watery, and it's only found in tropical zones. And Colombia is home to 60 to 70% of the world's ecosystems like this. So this is quite unique. So I'm also really struggling with the word Páramo today. So if I say it incorrectly throughout this video, it's because my brain has now struggled with it once. So it's going to keep struggling with that word.
No, I mean, I always drink water here. You can drink because all the people that I took here, they have drank.
They have drank it?
And they never told me like 2 days after, like, why?
Well, okay. What if I am the person that does get sick?
We have to go more up there. I'm gonna check later.
Okay.
Yeah, here is perfect.
Perfect? Oh my gosh. Okay, well, let me first get myself towards you. Okay, so I'm going here?
Yeah. So just with the cycle with your hand. How good it is.
It tastes really fresh. Oh! Wait, there's mud in my face. It tastes nice. Okay, I'm gonna try and get back the way you did.
Yeah.
Okay, I made it.
You made it.
Okay, so we're gonna be going more up now. So where the altitude also goes higher, there's less oxygen in the air. So this is also gonna cause the plants that we see to look more yellow and also become shorter and shorter as we go more up. Well, as you can maybe hear, I'm already feeling the altitude quite a bit. Trying to get my breath regulated, but it's quite difficult with so little oxygen in the air.
Remember, if you don't have Ráchelle-Jean, you don't have Páramo.
So the Ráchelle-Jean, these plants that absorb the water, they grow 1 centimeter a year. And Juan is going to bring me to the tallest one, which is 4 meters. So that just shows like how old is this thing? Like 4,000 years old?
400 years old.
400 years old?
Yeah.
400 years old. Wow, my calculation on that was really horrific. I'm sorry about that. Here we see.
Like it's like a perfect water pipe.
Wow. So this one is the highest one in the area?
In this area, yeah.
Yeah, and it's 12. I'm 1 meter 59, so like 3.5 meters. Okay.
Closer on.
And try and film him. Okay.
Because it's like he gets scared with the steps.
Oh, and he's off. Well, I spotted our first animal. I was walking and then I heard some. I was like, wow! And then it was a lizard, and this is the only lizard that is in this region. So that's amazing. I'm not sure if I recorded him because as soon as I started walking, he got frightened. But I'm pretty impressed with myself. Okay, I was gonna pretend to go wow, but this is like insane. Wow. And these are all those plants
Exactly. So basically, this is like a plateau in the plateau.
A plateau in the plateau. Okay, so we've arrived at the plateau in the plateau. Now, apparently, this is my wow moment, but just now I'm gonna get my super wow moment. So I am pretty curious because this is sick, man. Okay, so we got another hard part walking upwards, 10 more minutes, and then we're reaching the super wow. But apparently, this is still Bogotá. And like Juan says, it's the fanciest neighborhood in Bogotá. I can see water. There it is. Oh. Whoa. Holy shit. So I've gotten a reward for making it up, thank you. And that is dragon fruit pitaya. I have only ever seen the pink ones before, but here they're yellow, so I'm really curious to taste it. Look at that, very juicy.
This one is pitaya, so it's like the local dragon fruit, but it's pitaya.
But it's like a lot softer than the pink one.
Much better.
It's good. Well, we spent a whole hour at the top there looking at the beautiful lakes and the view. I wasn't expecting that we would be sitting there for so long, but it's just absolutely incredible. I've enjoyed the hike going up. I've enjoyed the super wow view of everything. Yeah, definitely worth the hike and the visit. And there it's raining in the distance. Well, we are almost back from where we entered Sumapaz. And wow, what an incredible hike. It's been so nice to learn about the environment and the flora and the fauna, especially from an ecosystem that I have never experienced before. And definitely I think that if you are going to be in Bogotá, it's really nice to escape the city a little bit and come out for a hike if that's what you're into. I definitely am. Anyways guys, I'm going to round off this video and go brain dead in a bit, so I'll see you on the next adventure.